everybody, and thank you for stopping by Rakshita's Recipes. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some boiled egg bhurji. This is a great breakfast idea, as well as you can use, take this to your office or give it to your kids in their tiffin box. It's super simple, very few ingredients, quick and easy to make. That's my motto, right? Akshita's Recipes, quick and easy and delicious recipes. So if you like today's recipe, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already by just hitting the red subscribe button. It's completely free. And once you have subscribed, just click the little bell that you see there. So every time I put up a new video, you'll get a message for the same. So guys, let's start making today's boiled egg bhurji. So for our ingredients, we're going to require these hard-boiled eggs. I'm using about 4 of them. Stick till the end of the video to see how I prepare these hard-boiled eggs. Besides that, I require half a teaspoon of cumin powder or jeera powder. You can just roast the jeera and grind it in your mixer. Then I require half a teaspoon of pepper powder. I did the same. I just took some few black peppercorns, roasted them and ground them. Then I have used about half a teaspoon of coriander powder or dhania powder. So I have a video in which I've prepared all these in a little bigger quantity and stored them. I'll leave a link below. Then I require half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. This adds a lovely color to this dish. Besides that, I'm also using about half a teaspoon of red chili powder. For the spice, you can alter it to about quarter teaspoon if you don't want it very spicy. Then I'm also going to be adding about 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. This is homemade. I'll leave a link below of how I prepare my homemade garam masala. Besides this, I'm also using about quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi powder and some salt to taste. Now, these are all the dry ingredients that we're going to be using, all the powder masalas. Now, besides this, I'm also going to be chopping up some fresh coriander. Now, what I like to do with coriander is always soak it in some water to which about a teaspoon of salt has been added. And I like to keep it aside for about 10 minutes and then drain off all the grime and dirt and then give it a thorough wash. And then I like to chop it up. So this is about roughly half a cup of chopped coriander. Now here I have 1 onion, a medium-sized onion. I've washed the onion and now I'm just going to peel it up, cut off all the ends, and I'm going to chop it up nice and fine. So I'm using a red onion. If you don't have access to red onions, you can use white onions or any of the onions that you have in your home or your pantry, and chop it up fine. Now I'm also going to be chopping up 1 light green chili, which I've washed, and I'm going to chop it up nice and fine. Now that we have all our ingredients, let's get started with preparing this amazing boiled egg bhurji. So here I'm heating about 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Once my oil is nice and hot on a medium to low flame, I'm going to be adding up my chopped green chili. I'm going to let this fry a little bit so that it flavors the oil with the chili. Now I'm going to be adding my chopped up onion. Now we're going to fry this onion till it becomes nice and translucent. Once that is done, we're going to add all our powders, starting with turmeric, red chili powder. Add that and mix it in well. Next, we're going to be adding the coriander powder and the cumin powder. Now we're going to add our roasted black pepper powder and Kashmiri chili powder and a little bit of garam masala. We're going to fry all of this well. And now we're going to add our hard-boiled eggs. What I've done is I've just chopped it up into cube-sized bits. And then we're going to mix everything really very well together. Now we're going to add some salt to taste. Again, mix in well. And then all we have to do is just garnish it with some lovely chopped up coriander or cilantro. And your boiled egg bhurji is all ready. This goes really well with some pav or some rotis, chapatis. It's an amazing breakfast idea. I also have a recipe for egg masala. I will leave a link below. So now let me explain to you how I boil these hard-boiled eggs. What I do is I just take about 5 cups of water and add the eggs to the water and bring it to a boil. Now once I let it boil for about 10 minutes completely on a low to medium flame. So keep a timer on your phone or your watch. And once it starts boiling, just turn off the flame. That is, once it boils for 10 minutes, turn off the flame and let the eggs sit in this hot water. So after the water comes to room temperature, you take off the eggs and let them just sit for about another minute or two. And then when they're cool enough for you to handle, you can just peel them. The peel comes off very easily if you follow this method. And these are your perfectly boiled eggs, hard-boiled eggs, which you can use for so many recipes. And what I like to do is I like to just chop it up and keep it aside and then use it in my recipes. So I hope you liked today's recipe. I hope you will give it a try. Do let me know in the comments box below how you liked this recipe. And don't forget to leave it a thumbs up. I do need those thumbs ups. And don't forget to hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. Once you hit the red button, you'll get the bell sign. So click that bell. That way, whenever I put up a recipe or a vlog or any video, you will get a message for the same. So you won't miss anything happening on my channel. And you'll be updated with whatever happens on Akshata's recipes. Do visit my channel. I have more than 350 recipes. Besides that, I have quite a few vlogs where you will get to know me better. I'm very active on Facebook. I have a page on the same name, Akshata's Recipes. I am on Instagram. I post a lot of stuff on Instagram, so you can follow me there. And I also have my own blog called Akshata's Recipes. If you go to my main home page, you will see the links to all of them, like Facebook, my Insta, my blog. So all you have to do is just click it and it will take you directly there. Also, don't forget to share my recipes and my channel with family and friends. And the most important part is thank you so much for stopping by at Akshata's Recipes, watching my videos, supporting Akshata's Recipes, and spreading the word about my channel with family and friends. I can't thank you enough. So I'll end this video by saying bye, take care, and I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. Have a great day. This is Akshata signing off. Bye.